Because this episode is going to take the energy to a whole new level. Are you excited to be on our podcast today? Super excited. Happy birthday, we celebrate today. So I was able to answer. It went from me and give a very honest answer. But what about respect for it? Students used to say that creativity. What's up guys, we are finally back on your screens and honestly our thoughts are getting so far with pure excitement today. And hold on, today we want to extend our most sincere thank you to every single one. The love, the comment and the support you showed us on our very first episode. Absolutely mind blowing. But get ready for episode 2 because this episode is going to take the energy to a whole new level. Oh, definitely. Right now, the lights and the camera. Even though technically we two are married at fine because our guest today is overloaded with experience. We are looking at Amazon with a whole new lenses, a student's perspective. She is going to represent all the students out there. She is the wonderful, she is the talented Miss Siddiqa Fatima. Welcome to the show. Welcome to episode 2. I'm Siddiqa Fatima. Thank you so much for that introduction. Oh my goodness. That fellow just melted my heart entirely. Well, when we were thinking about it, we were thinking like what to start with. But we want to know that how are you feeling right now? Are you excited to be on our podcast today? Super excited. Happy birthday, we celebrated today. Yes, you are celebrating today. Even though you see everyone in the city knows English or his house. But we want to know your secret. That what is actually the favorite part of yours about coming here? I doesn't feel boring. Well, kids love learning, listening, and the playtime and cheer. Okay. Well, I also want to know that how was your very first day here at Amazon? When I came at here, I was very nervous. I literally hid myself behind my bottle water. Oh my goodness. But the trainers made me laugh. My nervousness just go up away. Now look at you, rocking the mic like a pro. Yes. Okay, let's digging deep into the topic. Siddiqa, you see all different kinds of students here. Some are quick, some are super energetic, and some are not. How does Amazon educate all their different kinds of personalities? A few kids are shy or bored. No matters that they are shy or bored. The trainers treat us all like the threats. Nobody judges you at here. Well, they have a gentle push in us. And I know about it because I have an experience. When I came here the first day, I used to sit in the back of corner. I never talked to anyone, but the trainers used to appreciate my small to small efforts. I want to learn many things. A girl who used to hide behind a water, that's totally James. Wow, that sounds very nice. By the way, Siddiqa ma'am, adults talk a lot about the generation, the Gen Alpha. They say that kids today only focuses on their screen time, on variety shows or failures like this. But we see Amazon kids very different. So can you define in more way that what is something special here? We used to learn here about respect for women. There is any person, junior, senior, younger or elder. We feel respect. We give respect everyone in the equal valuable sense. That sounds perfect answer. Actually, by the way, it was mic drop moment and honestly, this answer was really good. So girls, we have talked about the big stuff, but honestly, what about those small incredible details that makes English so unique? Can you define it? I think so. There are those ingredients at English. Exactly, it's an exact point. English zone has a way to coordinate students.
Well, we can't talk about English zone without mentioning your favorite day, isn't it? Oh, yes.
Oh, I forgot to tell you about one thing. Saturday station. On this day, what students used to do? Students used to share their creativity of their self. On this day, they used to have more and more creative ideas to enjoy themselves.
But how about the small trips?
Oh, on this day we go to visit at the small places like Gurudwara.
Right, that's my favorite part of coming here. Going there feels so peaceful, and I think we reach the same one, isn't it?
Obviously.
And I love it. You know what? That if you give a student a sense of value and the importance, even though once I think you have seen that Priyanka Chopra said in a video that where you treat a child with the pure and the real importance, they feel like they start to be yes, we are important. Okay, so I think with that we are coming to a conclusion that coming in Amazon is not only about studies, books and etc. things. We also did some small details here like respecting each other and going on trips, learning how to respect each other's culture and everything. Yes. Okay, Siddhika, there is one another question running in my mind since long. So I want to know from you and give a very honest answer. Like, what is the feedback of your parents? Like, when you join here and after you spend a lot of time here. So, what do they say? What your family members, your friends, what do they see in you?
Firstly, when I was coming at Indore, I was so excited to visit here. I was telling to my father again and again. As my cousin went abroad this year, so I want to be more than him.
Oh.
At the admission at the moment I was asking him a lot of questions. Basically, about the introduction, he was just related to introduction to this answer. So I was able to answer. If he could ask that different, I could even be hidden back of my bottle. Then admission. After a few months, whenever I used to tell my father about my journey, he used to say you have changed a lot in the thinking process of the work you do. You create more efforts than your previous efforts.
We have seen your progress, and I think we know very well that you are a very eager learner here.
Even from friends, whenever I used to talk, they used to tell, when seeing you with peace, we too want to come and dinner. And I'm going to tell you many guys in my ahead journey.
That's nice. Even though I have practiced, like along with your innocent friends, you just go in the classroom and just practice your role play something or the story. She's very sweet. Yes. Now let's jump to the next question. Okay. So I want to ask that please tell to our audience that what challenges a person if he is a younger, elder or adult, what challenges he can face?
He can face every of the challenges if he put in every work the efforts. As what my father used to say, I am born in intelligence, but work I do, that I'm not the hardworking person. So the person is putting in each and everything, the efforts, the things he is putting the own dare of him to do that thing. The person can do the thing. Ever the person is younger, elder or child.
I think I can simplify this by saying that no matter how you are born, if you have the courage to do something, I think you will be able to do it. That's good. Now this time is there where we will have a fun activity this week. Are you ready?
Oh yeah, absolutely ready.
Okay. So I think Tanushri ma'am, you can explain what we are going to have.
Actually, today we will ask you we will show you few of the pictures, and you have to tell that what we call, what is the real name of the title of that picture.
I will give my best to just get.
Okay, so these are some antique pics of your from 90s. So can you tell what is this?
Maybe it's a past time slot in which we used to see the time.
So is it right or wrong?
I can see that.
No, this is not right. This is a compass. Yes, this indicates the north, south, east, and west. People used to have it as a map.
I thought it's a watch.
No. Now the next picture. What is this?
It's when we use it to just it's the thing in which we used to create the songs kind of.
Oh, you almost catch it.
Like actually we listen songs from
Yes, there is a kind of thing.
There is a kind of CD and we put it and
In
then
which we apply and then
it plays the songs. Nice. Now what is this?
Sorry, I can't get it. It's a kind of critical thing. Maybe kind of thing in which we listen something.
Oh, have you ever used it?
Yes, like my grandfather used to. It is a cassette that where we get the records of the information or songs.
It's a kind of cassette. So we can also listen music from it, record and then see afterwards.
This is kind of so difficult because of this what in its what
It happens. Now, last but not the least, I think you can guess it. What is this?
it's a CD in which we can in which there is a kind of pictures or something. Songs
Insert in this.
we apply there is a kind of machine for this. We apply that and then what's there is
Nice, it was good.
So I think she got 4 out of 1 point half.
Yeah,
One she
just
got half.
was just a guess.
But interacting with you was a great thing. Now it's time to address the most important part of podcast. So please, ma'am, go ahead.
Okay, well, you really did it. Before we let you go, please can you tell us that what is the final message you want to pass to all our parents, kids, and who's watching this right now?
I want to tell a simple message. Not just forcing you to come and listen, but have a demo, check the environment, learn the new things just today.
Yes, I think you can also find a lot of amazing students. You just need to scroll down the YouTube channel of English On. You will find super students there. And if not that, you can visit us for free. Take the demo class, see how students learn here. Isn't it?
Yes, it is. And I want to thank a massive thank you to all our audience. So please like the button and subscribe. And please leave the comment that what's the favorite part of from Siddhika's journey of yours. So we can see in the comments as a feedback. Keep shining, keep speaking. We will meet the next time in the episode 3.
The episode 3 is going to be very special, so make sure you are stay tuned. Bye.